So this is going to be a long process. The original plan was just to dig under the post, straighten them out, but that one turned out to be bad, so I replaced that post. This one, when I dug up, it was so damn tall, I discovered that I could actually squat and pull it out of the ground, because basically the post goes into the ground for about 3 feet, and then they had concrete on it, which is why they fell over. What's up, y'all? Welcome to cleanup episode 2. This will be a little different episode. This will be a little different because cleanup episode 1 was my dad's place, but all week long in the background I have not been recording it. I have been coming up with a plan on how to repair my fence all by my lonesome. So this is going to be a long process. The original plan was just to dig under the post, straighten them out, but that one turned out to be bad, so I replaced that post. This one, when I dug up, it was so damn tall, I discovered that I could actually squat and pull it out of the ground, because basically the post goes into the ground for about 3 feet, and then they had concrete on it, which is why they fell over. Concrete wasn't all the way down to the footer. So basically I squatted these out of there. I got a broken pole here, so I got to dig this guy out, and I got these 2 poles. I got to buy a new one for here, a new one for there. So I need to buy 2 new poles. I just concreted these in tonight. That one's fine. So this guy's drying, this guy's drying. So if I wanted to tomorrow, I could put that panel and this panel back up. I need to see if I can buy a post for that, and one for down here. Then I can just reconcrete that one. Oh, 3. I need 3 poles. And then after I do all that, I gotta do all these. This right here is taking me Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So 4 days. Granted, the first day was more discovery. Now I'm averaging 1.5, maybe 2 a night. I got both these done tonight because they weren't bad. So I don't know. So I think about 2, 4, 6, maybe about 2 weeks to get the rest of this done, assuming I have the money to pay for all the parts, because I don't think insurance is coming through, but we'll see. I'll show you some footage later, but right now I have made a template based off of one of my posts. I found that you can buy these poles, or vinyl posts if you will, at Lowe's for 35 bucks blank. And that's kind of a problem because, well, you need holes in them. But what I have discovered is I can make them myself. So I made a template. I got 3 of the 7 poles I need. They only had 3 in stock, so we're gonna do this thing like Johnny Cash, one piece at a time. But first, I need my sunglasses, so we gotta start laying out some holes, man. So basically, I have a 3-sided template here, and now I know based off the other one, this should be 2 inches down. It's not. This is based off the post in the back. So just to be sure, this is my top. It should go like this, all the way around. I think what I want to do is go measure off the top, see how far down it was, because that other one says 2 inches, but my template I made is not 2 inches. Don't want to mess this up. $33 a post. Maybe it is 2 inches. This is the one I measured off of right here. Yeah, 2 inches. Yeah, so just re-cemented that one. This one's dry, that one's dry. I gotta dig out that post, plant a post there. So I got 1, 2, and then I can get this whole side done. And then I got like 4 posts back there I need to replace. I need a smaller square, but this will have to work. So I went down to Harbor Freight and Tool today. Shout out to Morgan Long. Saw you at the store. OG5 member. If you want to be an OG5 member too, you can subscribe on Patreon and support the pod and the channel. But anyhow, we got this cheapo Chicago electric Dremel that I'm going to use to clean up these corners down. What's up, y'all? It's Monday. I just got done eating dinner, came home from work, worked on the fence, which I've been doing every day since last week, but we're making progress. Well, not that part. Excuse that part. I got some for that part later. But here we are. I have pulled out and replanted every single one of these posts, with the exception of that one. I did dig it up, but I just leaned it forward and put concrete. I did not physically remove it. But all the rest of these posts, I dug up and physically removed. I just got done planting that one in. This one, the post was broken off all the way at the ground, so I had to dig in there, slam out the concrete with a sledgehammer, and I was able to pull the stud out. Sadly, I'm going to have to do that for that one, and one of those posts down there is broken, and that one. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more posts to completely replace, and then I'm going to dig up and straighten out these 3, straighten out that one down there, straighten out that one, straighten out that one. But we're getting closer. Now, as you can imagine, just about everybody in my neighborhood lost their fence. My neighbor here, he has real tall palms, like palm bushes along his fence, and so that area of his fence he did not lose. But the area down by my front door he lost because he didn't have palm trees. Even they lost their fence. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So that whole section of his fence got blown over, as you guys seen in video. Well, his gate got blown over too, and I found his gate in the trash. Now his gate's too small for mine, but his gate does make a good temporary gate until I can get somebody out here to replace my gate. And I'm going to fill this in here in a few minutes. So my goal is to get enough of the fence up so that we only have to watch for Bailey sneaking out the back and not the side. So when I'm standing out in the yard at 3 o'clock in the morning, it's easier to watch her, make sure she doesn't run out the back, opposed to my gate from this side and put it on the other side. So I will have 2 temporary gates blocking both accesses from the side, thus keeping Bailey from getting out on the sides. So that's the plan.
This has been a Digital 410 production.